lovely night. Oh, hey guys, I haven't seen you there. I'm just gonna grab a book from there. Stay patient. No, I'm sorry. Today we're reading a story, but it's not a story. I'm sorry. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, what a lovely story. So you'll see some funny action. Beep, beep, beep again. Beep, beep, beep on travel. I have a song of that. Okay. Oh no. Beep, beep, beep. Beep, beep, beep. Went the telephone. I ran to the telephone. Oh no. What a silly book. What a silly day. I'm sorry. Beep, beep, beep. Went the microwave. Who has a microwave? Me. My mom has one. I went to microwave. I ran to the microwave. Whatever that's called. Should do some magic. All right, we're back to our shower. I have a new plan. Think. Beep, beep, beep. With the video recorder. Why was the TV called a video recorder?
So this is the video recorder.
Oh, I thought this was. Jeez, don't worry. All right. I ran to the video recorder. Beep, beep, beep. Oh, let's do some magic. Okay. Do some magic. All right. Beep, beep, beep. Went the alarm clock. Do you have an alarm clock? I do. Because it's my Google search. Google Home, I mean. I call it Hey Google. Good. It didn't respond. So, I ran to the alarm clock. Beep, beep, beep. I'm sorry. Magic. Alright. Do you see anything? Okay, that's good. So, do you see me? So, today we're looking at Beep, Beep, Beep. Said the parrot. I ran and I ran and I ran. And that's the end of... No. Do you do it? That's the end of Beep, Beep, Beep. So subscribe for real. Give us some answers. Give us some answers, some jokes. We'll answer some more questions to you. Also, you'll see some other videos like making stuff. You'll see a choo-choo video with Barbie in it. And give thumbs up.